Okay, I'm going to show you how to inspect and clean a PS connector, a power solution, high power. We can start off by switching on the microscope. We have here an OLP 82 microscope from VOV. Now we can see that the free connector section is active. We'll wait a while until the inspection probe is active. There you are. So now we will start off by putting the correct adapter on, which is for the free connector. This is the adapter. It's an E2000 for power solution, 4 degrees, and for duplex purpose as well. This is put on this side. Now we activate free connector. I have my power solution connector. This goes inside. I see it here. I focus it. I have a magnification of 100 times on this display. I press this button and I have 200 times. I see the fiber is clean as it should be, and the end surface as well. I will now extra dirty, so just put my finger on is enough to see dirt on the connector. This is how it shouldn't be, especially a PS connector. You can see on the fiber you have dirt, and this is no good. I will now clean the connector. So I have my adapter for the body. I will do wet cleaning. That means with alcohol and a lint. A bit of alcohol, not too much, in case I can dry it off. This is how we clean it. I will slightly rotate the connector. Okay, and we can now just check, and I see I have a super clean fiber. The contact area is very important that it's clean. Now we will do the second method of cleaning, which is with a clip top. You have here a micro fiber inside, and every time I press I have a new surface. So we will now dirty it extra. Just check it. Yes, it's dirty. Let's take this out and new surface, tilt it slightly 4 degrees. I come all the way down. I do this gently, and let me check how this one is looking. This one is looking fine. I see the fiber is very clean, and the contact area as well. Okay, now we've seen how to inspect and clean a free connector. We will see, I will make a demo how to inspect a connector in an adapter. That means in adapter inspection and cleaning. What we need is this adapter for the inspection probe, which is an FBPT E2000. It's a 4 degrees, perfect for a power solution, but you can inspect as well PC and APC. So there we go. I will now tighten the threaded ring. There we go. I will have to activate the probe. I go to the home and press the inspection probe. This goes in. You see it's slightly 4 degrees to the right. Okay, and there I have my front surface. I now focus it on the probe itself. I see this is clean. I have this button here. If I press this button, I go from 100 times magnification to 200 times. And we will now dirty it so we can see how to clean it. This is enough. You see how sensible it is. Yeah, we can see the dirt on the fiber, which shouldn't be there. And we will now clean it with a IBC 2.5 millimeter cleaner. Take the cap off. This goes inside. I press once, 2, 3 times, and of course we check and see what's going on. I see it's clean. Magnification 200 times. The fiber is perfect.